As a portrait photographer, having the right lens is essential to having amazing photos as a professional photographer. And back in the days, I was like a lot of you guys watching this video, I didn't know what lens to get, or maybe I just needed more information on what lens I should look into first. In this video, I'm gonna explain why the 24-70mm is the first lens you should get if you're a portrait photographer, period. And also why it is the only essential portrait photographer lens. Roll that intro. To answer the elephant in the room, why is this lens so essential? It is a versatile and multi-purpose lens that offers a wide range of focal lengths. That means you can use it for a variety of different things, and also a variety of different shooting scenarios, from tight headshots to full-length photos. The versatility makes the lens perfect for portrait photography, as it allows you to capture a wide range of different photography types. Also, the lens is small. It's super easy to carry around. It's super light. Like, it don't really matter where you get it from. I shoot on Canon, so I love my 24-70 from Canon, but I mean, Sony, etc. Tamron makes a good one. Sigma makes a great one. They're super adaptable. They're just efficient. They're pretty compact. So you can just fit in your bag and just move on with your life. Next is the aperture. Another reason why the 24-70 is an essential lens is the aperture on the lens. Many 24-70s have a maximum aperture of 2.8, meaning that it can shoot almost wide open. Not as wide open as a prime, but pretty wide open for a zoom lens. 2.8 is an amazing aperture for photography. Portrait photography specifically. It allows you to capture beautiful depth of field and have that little bit of bokeh in the back, you know, and some compression, because separating your background from your foreground is super important in photography. You guys should know that. Also, wide aperture allows you to work in better lighting conditions, meaning if you're in somewhere that's a little more dark, you can use 2.8 to open up and have more light. And if you're somewhere a little more bright, like it's really bright outside, I live in Florida, so it's always stupid bright, you can go up to like a 5.6 and shoot something that isn't as harsh. And a 2.8 lets you just create a softer, more like, you know, dim and glowy background that's really beautiful and a lot of clients love. And it's crucial when you want your subject to be the focal point of your image. Another thing that you can add to this is also how many things it can be used for. You can use for portraits, weddings, anything, like anything you have that you can possibly use a 24-70 for, you use it for all that. I've used it for everything. It is the only thing that if I just had to sell all my other lenses and I put one in my bag, this would be the one. This thing is just a beast. It's a workhorse. It does everything for me. So in conclusion, the 24-70 is the only essential lens you need in your bag, period. Its versatility, focal length range, and aperture make it a complete essential for any beginner photographer, experienced photographer. Another thing for the 24-70 is its price, and not the price that it actually costs, but the price that you can get this lens for, and you have other lenses included almost. Because think about it, if you buy a 24-70, you have a 35mm, a 50mm, and I mean, if you want a really wide lens, a 24mm, all in one lens in one body that you can just carry around freely. And hey, maybe you're not gonna get that 1.8 or 1.2 that you're gonna get with a prime lens, but you're gonna get it all in one body, meaning you're gonna be complete more lighter, and also you're gonna save a lot more money. Having the right lens in your bag can make all the difference for a portrait photographer. The 24-70 offers a big range of possibilities, and it will allow you to create stunning and professional photos in any circumstance with it. Don't forget to subscribe for more photography tips and tricks. It's a pleasure, guys. Check me out on IG, all that social media in the bio below. Thank you guys. Have a good one.